These are the ingredients for today's recipe. We have my homemade vanilla extract, some nice ripe bananas, and some Hershey's Special Dark Syrup. And we're going to make Yonanas. If you've never heard of this, you'll be looking for this appliance really soon, I promise. Step one for this is to peel and freeze your bananas. This is the appliance we're going to be using. It's called the Yonanas. I'll put the spelling in the notes so you can see it. It's kind of noisy to start with, but I promise I'll mute the noise when we really get going. Step one is to take the teeniest little bit of my homemade extract and just kind of rub it on the outside of the frozen bananas. That way when they go through the machine, they'll be well covered and evenly distributed. Doesn't take much. Okay, it's about to get really noisy. Don't worry, I'll mute the sound. Maybe put on a little music or something. The first part of the banana takes a while to come out, but then it comes out like soft serve. It's amazing. It's like soft serve ice cream. But bananas. Now that's good stuff.